Name is Tinashe Tirgot from Zimbabwe in Chitungwiza. Mbira player, Mbira maker, and I want to say to people about Mbira. Mbira is very good thing, very important and easy to learn. If you need some advice, we can give. I can play Mbira in Gargai style. Gargai is our father who teaches us how to play Mbira, how to mixing different tunes. We have also so many tunes like Mavembenya Bango, Maororo, Nemamsasa, Chapwi, Bangiza, Dongonda. So we can also play Mbira like that. Thank you.
My name is Itai Gote, and I'm a Mbira player. I make also. I'm Gargai's son, and my father is a Mbira player too. He also used to make Mbira, and I want to encourage people about Mbira, and I want to tell them about Mbira and teach them again for those who want to learn. And me, I'm used to playing Mamsasa. And I started to play in Mamsasa when I was 8 years. And I want to show people how to play in Mamsasa and how sound is. I want many people to know about Mbira. Like here in Zimbabwe, many people they take Mbira as a spirit instrument. But okay, now you're going to play in Mamsasa.